Hello, my name is Mariśca, and today we will learn how to create an Instagram and generally how to use it. First off, Instagram is primarily a mobile device application, so while you can create an account online, you can do everything except for create a post on a desktop computer. So you will need a mobile device if you wish to create posts to share with your community. Short of that, you can do everything else just about on a computer. So to get started, we're going to enter a phone number, username, or email if you already have an Instagram account and just aren't sure what to do with it. You can, if this is your first time creating an Instagram account, log in with your Facebook if you have a Facebook. You will be prompted to log in with your Facebook information. Today, we're going to focus on signing up. So today you're going to need to put in your mobile number or your email. I'm going to choose email. Put in your full name. Now you can do whatever for this. It doesn't have to be your actual full name. But it will use your name to suggest a username for you. Now you can choose any username you want if it has not already been taken. If it's your personal Instagram, you can do a version of your name, or if you want it to be a private thing that you only do with some of your close friends, you can pick a random username based on an inside joke maybe, or anything that you really want displayed to the Instagram community. Let's see if this username has been taken. See, now when it gives you the X, it means the username's been taken. You can use the little arrow to see if you prefer the generated username. It will usually generate one that has not been taken. Doyle AC, let's go 221B instead. Let's see if that's available. Yes, that is available. As far as password goes, something that you can remember, generally speaking, a capital letter, a lowercase letter, and a special character like an exclamation point are typically necessary to create a safe password. There we go. And let's click sign up. Let's go March 8. You do have to be at least 13 years old to have an Instagram account. Let's stick in a random date. All right, next. And voila, we're all set. Now it's going to suggest places and accounts that you can follow if you're interested. Nike, Taylor Swift, let's see, The Ellen Show, Nicki Minaj. You can choose anybody out of, all of these. And once you're done, click Get Started. You can always unfollow everyone that you just followed if you find out that it's really not exactly what you wanted to do. Now, let's go to your account because it's just going to keep suggesting more people. Let's click on the home button. This will take us to the news feed. Getting started, because we're a new member, it's going to ask you to connect to Facebook, add a phone number, at profile photo, you can ignore any and all of these for as long as you wish. This is sort of your stream. Everybody that you followed before, you will get all of their posts right here. This is where you find all of your posts from other people, right here at the home. If you scroll, it is chronological. The most recent posts will be on top, followed by older posts. As you can see, you can like, you can comment right here.
Now that Game of Games is over, I want to challenge.
Ooh, that's a video. You can add a comment, you can like, or you can, let's see, I believe this is share. Yes, you can share to a direct message to someone you follow. You can share to Facebook Messenger. You can copy the link if you want to just post it outside of Instagram, or if you change your mind, you can click cancel. Now we clicked on the post and it brings it up and only shows us the post. So if you scroll down, it'll give us more posts from the account that posted, but pretty much it's when you clicked on the comment button, it decided, all right, let's make this so that they can see the post right here and you can add your comment. Let's go back to home. Now, once you created your account and you followed more people, you might have a lot of people here. Well, maybe you decide you want to unfollow someone. So let's go to our profile, that is this. It will change into an icon of whatever picture you choose to upload. If you click on this, it will take you to your profile page. Now, you're following 3 people. Let's say you change your mind and you don't really want to be following The Ellen Show or Nicki Minaj. So you click on the number of people you're following and you can either click straight to their profile where you will see this button which indicates you are following them. You can unfollow them from that location as well. And then you can go right back to your profile and you're only following 2 people now. If you wish to do privacy and security, if you wish to keep your account private, you can click from your profile, click the little gear right next to edit, and do privacy and security right here. Then you can click private account, and this will make it so that if people want to follow you, they have to send a request. You can approve or deny that request as you wish. If you are not set to private, anyone can follow you. You'll get a notification, but you won't be able to decide whether or not you're okay with that if you are not on a private account. Show activity status. This will allow accounts you follow and anyone who messages you or anyone you message to see when you were last online on Instagram. It works both ways. If you turn it off, you don't get to see other people's activity, but that's not something people generally care too much about. Allow sharing. They can read your story, which we'll get to in just a moment, as a message, so they get to send something that you post to someone else. All of the rest is up to you. If you want to edit your profile, your username, your name, if you change your email, if you wish to put in a phone number, usually if you're using a phone, if you want to come up in other people's suggestions. For example, if you're using this to post art and you wanted other people who are following artists to have your account recommended to them, that is what this button is for. Apps and websites, these are things that you've used Instagram to log into. So if you went off of Instagram, for example, and it allowed you to use your Instagram login instead of creating an individual account, that's what would show up here. Push notifications. How often do you want to get notifications, and what do you want to get notifications for? You can turn off for likes, you can turn off for comments, etc., etc. This is up to you to decide what you want. Push notification just means how frequently do you want to be notified everywhere. If you don't have a phone attached, it'll probably send you an email. If you do, in fact, have a phone attached, it'll send you an email and a text alert if you wish that, and an icon on your application. So this is what emails you want and what texts, and you can unsubscribe to all of these no matter what. You can change your password if you feel like you need to, manage your contacts. If you have, for example, synced your phone contacts to Instagram, this is where you can manage who you've synced. Privacy and security. How secure do you want your account to be? That's up to you. Login activity. This will tell you about where you've logged in and how. So, all of that, we're going to go back home. All the notifications that you do as soon as you post something through the mobile application, information will start showing up here. If someone likes it, if someone comments on it, that goes back to your profile settings again, but all notifications will show up here. You might not get a notification, you might not get a red icon that says, hey, you have 3 unread notifications, but they will all be there ready for you to read. That is all. I encourage you to explore Instagram on the mobile platform where you can create any number of posts. You can create a photo post, a video post. You can add multiple photos in one post, and you can caption them however you wish. That is all for Instagram account creation. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at wellmail3@minlib.net.